to my channel. Now I'm so excited today because I'm doing another DIY project. Yes, another DIY. You know me, I'm crazy Pinterest queen over here. But today I'm going to be using chalk paint for the very first time. I'm going to be painting an upright piano that I got for free. So if you're interested to see how this turns out, stay tuned. After some research, I discovered that chalk paint is pretty easy. There's no prep time. You don't have to prep any surface you're gonna paint. You just grab your chalk paint, grab a brush, and you just start painting. I'm a little bit nervous, in all honesty, that this project is gonna look ugly, but if it does, all I'm saying is if y'all see a half-painted piano on the side of the highway, it wasn't me. So I just finished applying the first coat. I'm gonna let this dry and then apply the second. Y'all, I love the way that my piano turned out. Looks great. I did 3 coats of chalk paint. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to be taking this sanding block right here and I'm gonna be sanding the edges, making it look really nice and distressed. And then I'm gonna seal it with this finishing wax. It's a clear finishing wax. I'm gonna apply it and then I'm gonna buff it and that'll complete my project. And what you wanna do is you wanna find areas where you would normally see some wear and tear from over the years. And you're just gonna start sanding it and hopefully exposing some of the color of the original wood. So with a washcloth or a rag, preferably a lint-free one. This isn't really a lint-free one, but it's what I've got. Start applying the wax coat to the outside of the piece of furniture like this until you cover the entire piece. Okay, I am truly in love with the way that this piano turned out. Y'all, I love my piano. You ain't gonna be seeing this thing on the side of the highway anytime soon. I had a lot of fun recording this video with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. In all honesty, I was nervous about using chalk paint for the very first time, but I have no regrets and I look forward to using chalk paint more often and in the future. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you can get updates on when I'm posting my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you.